Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Life Gear Waterproof Survival Kit. I just picked this up from Walmart, so stay tuned and we'll take a look at it. Welcome back everyone. So I was actually just shopping at Walmart and I was in their camping section just looking around, seeing if there was anything on sale. And I came across this Life Gear Survival Kit. And there was just two left. And so I pulled out my phone and kind of looked through their website to see if there were any reviews about it. And there wasn't. I decided to pick it up. I'm not even sure if it's worth what I paid for it. It cost $58. It says, let's see if you can see that. It's a 72-hour waterproof survival kit, two-person, 130 pieces. And inside they have a list of stuff. We have like shelter, tools, lighting, 3 days of food and water, fire starting, and a lot of first aid items. And the bag itself is a 15-liter dry bag. We're gonna take a look at it now, open it up, and see if it's really worth the 58. So actually on the back over here, there's a use by date, and it's 2023. So that's a pretty good shelf life. And the other card over here is like the drug information, alcoholic pads, water purification tablets, insect relief pad. So they've got like probably all their first aid medications. It's kind of like a little list of them over here. But let's get to the bag itself. Something I noticed just when I picked it up, which I wasn't so happy about, was the bottom of the bag. Looks like there's like a seam, and I'm not sure if that's how dry bags are, but I always thought that it was just like one piece of material and it wasn't like really stitched together or anything. So I don't know how well this is gonna hold. It feels like it has some kind of a base too. But let's get into this and see what we got. So just like other dry bags, it has a little clasp here, and it's folded over probably 4 times. So I'll point this up a little bit. So this is good. It has a little kind of hardened piece over here on both sides, which makes it easier to fold down. Probably blocking. Yeah, so it's got that. Makes it easier to fold down. Let's open it up and see what we have. So we have burn care and waterproof safety matches. We have 2 flashlights, which I'm surprised about that. On the paper, I thought it was just 1 flashlight, but it looks like one is a hand crank flashlight. One is a battery operated flashlight by Dorsey. Now, if you don't know, I believe the company Dorsey may have bought out Life Gear. So anything sold by Life Gear now is part of Dorsey, or the other way around. I'm not really sure, but yeah, Dorsey and Life Gear are pretty much the same thing now. So 2 flashlights. One is a hand crank, one is battery operated. Emergency blanket and poncho. It looks like they're 2 each, so two ponchos and 2 emergency blankets. These ponchos look like the really I won't say cheap, but it's more like you can use it a couple of times and it's gonna wear out. So again, it's just for emergency. Those Mylar blankets are always really good. They can be reused, and they're pretty big, and yeah. So 2 each, 2 ponchos, 2 Mylar blankets. All right, so this packet over here looks like it has one of those containers with the whistle. These are waterproof containers which you can store matches in. It has some paracord. Actually, I'm going to try to open this packet up just because I want to see what's in this. Okay, so yeah, one of these. It seems empty, but you can put stuff in it. It has a whistle on it and a compass, though I don't know how well those compass works. I've seen these before. They go for pretty cheap, but yeah, it's not bad habit. Paracord, always great, and I like the bright orange color. These look like the water purification tablets, are they? Yes, water purification tablets. Very good. Actually, I have water purification tablets from before, but they are expired, so I was looking to buy some, and so there's that. A nice roll of duct tape. Very good. And one of these survival cards, I guess they call them. Oh, that's a pretty sharp edge on this side. It's got like a screwdriver and a couple of other tools. Let's see if it has some kind of alright, yeah, there you go. Can opener, knife edge, screwdriver. That's not too bad. So I mean, so far it's what did I say? I paid 58. So a 15-liter dry bag. I mean, you can buy cheap ones, I guess, but they would. I know the Earth Packs, which are actually the best brand of dry bags, go for about $20 for a 10-liter. So a 15-liter, let's say around like 20. So we're looking at like $40 worth of extra stuff. I mean, we definitely haven't reached it with just this, but let's see what else is in the bag. So this is a bag which looks like all first aid. You have a little manual, first aid basic instructions, elastic band, tweezers, scissors, bandages. That's actually a pretty full pack. Yeah, so that's actually pretty good. I know first aid kits can really run up there. I've seen first aid kits go for like 56 for a really good one. But this didn't even come with like an organized bag. It was just in a plastic bag, which, you know. And the rest of it looks like it's gonna be okay. So it also comes with these straps. These straps can actually be tied to the bag, and I'll show you that in a little while when I pack everything up. So let's put the straps on the side. So it looks like they gave us SOS emergency food rations. So there's 2 of those. And for the water, they've given us the emergency purified water. I think, is this by SOS too? I don't know, but I actually used to use the Datrix one, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, there are two full packets of this. So each of them hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 12 packets of water each is one. So I'm not sure why, but my camera just turned off on me. But yeah, I was just talking about the food and water. Those are the last things left. I'm gonna put everything back in and just show you the bag once again and attach the straps on it. So food, water, and all of this stuff is what we got. Is that worth 58? I don't know. It maybe could have been cheaper, just a little bit, but I guess they got to make a profit on something, right? Now, if you look in the bag, there's still plenty of space available, so you can definitely tailor this bag to meet your needs. You should always have a survival kit which is specifically made for you. I mean, some of the items are always things that everyone uses, but like when it comes to medication, you want to be able to put your stuff in there, things that you need. I'm definitely going to add like a knife to it, a better knife. I don't think I need 2 flashlights. I may just use 1. But yeah, so I'm just going to close the bag down. So the bag has 2 clasps, one down here and one on the buckle. So this is what the bag looks like when you're wearing it. Doesn't feel too heavy. It thanks for watching, everyone. This was the survival kit by Life Care. Take care.